Hello everybody, this is the Cat Plays Games, and welcome back to Crossout. Today we're gonna do some gameplay, what I call the War Train. War Train we're playing with the 3 players, Jellymix, Starfield, and me. And guys, please say hello.
Hey.
This concept is actually pretty simple. It's actually already been viewed on seen on YouTube actually. We basically got a hook system where you can connect each other up like this and go up into a war train of some sorts. Darf, please drive to.
I forgot.
Thank you. I'm gonna say this map is gonna be hell because we're gonna disconnect a lot. Probably. Or have this issues. Me getting pushed up a rock. Works too. Okay, wanna gotta connect again? Oh well, it's worth the wait. Well, there I go. Now I'm a piece of armor. Okay, Bob, I'll cover you as armor.
God damn it.
If we at least connect, there we go. I'll be your armor now. And a ram. Oh man. Ram di pupa kangka. There we go. I'll suicide on the next guy. It's really downside if your train falls apart so quickly. Is that too?
My linky piece got shut off.
Yeah, my gun got shut off. I think losing the gun is more
Yeah.
annoying than losing the linking piece.
Yeah,
You can also continue a part of each other, but oh well. I guess you ram people.
Can I use Huntsman instead of Gorilla?
What?
Wait.
Oh, you want a link? So, there we go again. So,